Hey guys, what's up? I'm recording a video today, and it is. Well, I just started recording, so I've gotten. If I get 5 subscribers in this one video, which is going to be really surprising for me, then I will give that. If you type in hashtag 2 pink cars, I will give you 2 pink cars. So, if you play on computer, like, cause I'm telling you, all I do is it's fun. And I will show you guys a wild revolver thing after this. I will be playing multiple games today, not just one. Come on. That's off. I'm playing with it. That is really loud. So if you guys don't know, this is my first video of recording, and only a minute 45 seconds in, but it's fine. So my heart is racing because I am terrified right now of actually having someone watching my video. My brother loaded me up with some money because my account got reset and it just sucks. You know? Just checking what axe that was, so guys, I will see you back at my base. I just went ahead and bought some land for me so I can actually drive my car to the what's it called? The thing. I went to go expand my land, which I have done. And as so, I am going to. God. I'm so trapped. No. And guys, just to clarify work. Terror. That was hard. Okay. Yeah, that fell on the ground. It's just the way I put my car. But as you guys saw, that worked. Don't know what he's building. Oh, it's a shop. That's lag. And work? Okay. Going up here to get some lava wood. So, guys, I am having fun. If you see the tree right up there, I will get a Squidward painting and sell it to this man right here. If you're looking where my mouse is, the top guy. Or if he doesn't want it, I'll sell it to Adnan. I'm terrible at pronouncing names, guys. And this is not a tutorial on how to, what's it called? Squidward painting. It's just like a let's play, I guess. I don't know. Just me playing a game. So, if you're looking on how-to things, I think you would want to watch me. So, I probably won't get much subscribers. I have to say, I like the music in this. Almost failed. Jesus. Hold on, guys. No hacks, just monkey. Crap. I don't know why. Sorry for not talking, guys. This guy just... I don't have grammar on that, but... Jesus. No, I'm just gonna reset. This axe is $2,000. It's not how you spell much. Is that how you spell much? I think it's... spelled that completely wrong. Might be that base. It looks to see that is his base. Hey, I was... No, that's Adnan. Maybe it was the base, like, right beside mine. I'm not sure. Hi. Okay, guys. I don't know why I haven't been talking. I don't know why I just yawned either. But most videos aren't this long. But I will end this video and start a new one in like a minute. So I don't want to edit. I'm just going to be normal. Can't grab it. No scams. What the heck? Yeah, I have to keep spamming it so it doesn't despawn. Okay. I think it's a left switch that I want. Adnan speaks a different language, as you can tell, right here. And then No Hacks is talking in normal chat now. Yeah, that stuff's over there. Yeah, Desi. I don't know what that means, but I gotta adjust my mic. It's actually my brother's, but I just stole it from him. Getting one this Friday, Black Friday. I don't know where he is or what he's doing. Oh, he's right up. Yeah, he has more. Did you guys hear that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. WT